ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 5th day of June. James Spann here on another hot, dry day ahead. Let's check out some Skycam pictures this morning, and really nice scene there. That's coming from the Tennessee River in Decatur, looking back off to the east where the sun is beginning to come up. Another nice shot from Demopolis. On top of the Demopolis Civic Center, looking north, the Tom Bigby River off to the left. From Mount Cheaha, looks like some low clouds have formed up there, but most of the state will be sunny today and hot and dry. As you can clearly see why there, got that big ridge sitting right on top of us. So sunny weather for not only Alabama, but states like Georgia, Florida, Mississippi, Louisiana. Whopper of a trough out west, though, snow in the Rockies, and that'll be producing potentially a major severe weather outbreak today across the nation's heartland. Even this morning, a tornado watch up for parts of Iowa, northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin until 11 o'clock this morning. And we've got a big old moderate risk area today out there from near Wichita to Minneapolis-St. Paul. It includes Omaha and Des Moines. They had a rough night last night with tornadoes. They'll have another rough day today. But, of course, around here, not a drop of rain expected. Tomorrow, once again, a moderate risk, including places like Chicago and St. Louis. A slight risk down into East Oklahoma. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a slight risk basically in the same area. Our friends up in Des Moines cannot catch a break. It's going to be a very busy stretch of days for the folks there. And look at all the rain up there. Amounts of 3 to 5.5 inches, but around here, not a drop. And this is valid through Monday evening of next week. We'll zip through the modeling here. This is the OZGFS, valid at 1 o'clock today. There's your trough out of the Rockies, ridge holding here. Tomorrow, the trough heads up toward Canada. And look at the 594 circle showing up over the Carolinas. That's hot. Saturday, that darn thing expands into North Alabama. You know, we might have to look at kind of bumping up the highs from low 90s to mid 90s. We can be thankful we have very good soil moisture, and that'll keep the heat in check. But still, that'll be hot and dry. Sunday, the heights go down a little bit, but still the ridge in firm control. And Monday of next week, the ridge is the story. The chance of any one spot getting wet will be tiny. Now, having said that, you know, there's always some chance of a rogue shower somewhere, but we're not going to mention that. Tuesday of next week, a trough coming out of the Rockies again. And Wednesday, that thing kind of beats the ridge down a little bit. And let's take a look underneath that. And yeah, here comes some moisture. And maybe we'll see a little increase in shower and thunderstorm activity toward the middle part of next week. Let's hope that trend keeps up. And then on Thursday, that looks good and wet. That's Thursday the 12th. So again, as we get out there toward mid-month, the ridge seems to be taking a beating. We'll go out 4 more days. Nice trough over the east. The highest heights back in the southwest. And again, that looks like a good weakening cold front coming in here that should squeeze out a good bit of showers and thunderstorms. And at the end of the cycle on the 20th, got kind of a trough showing up over the Atlantic coast there. But again, we've seen all kind of solutions out there. But the bottom line is we hope that ridge will break down at mid-month, and there are increasing indications that will happen with cooler temperatures, cooler, not as hot, and a better chance of showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.